Hi friends, welcome to the channel eQuest. In this video we can discuss coding and decoding type 3. This is very easy. It is very important for banking exams. We can get at least 5 marks from this type. See here, in first question there are two columns, column 1 and column 2. Here there are 4 sentences. Corresponding codes are present in column 2. Here see words lit, lit, kit, bit, dit. Corresponding codes are present in this column 2, but not in order. Remember that. These codes are jumbled. Means lit code is not B, kit code is not R, bit code is not P and dit code is not D. But here each and every word has corresponding code, but not in order. The code of LIT present in first line only, but we don't know. To find out the code of each and every words present in this column 1, first of all compare for the words. See at first line and second line, which is a common? Kit, kit. Kit is a common in these two lines. In third line there is no kit. In fourth line there is no kit. So here in these two lines a common word is kit. Observe in column 2, which is a common in these two lines. D is common. So kit corresponding code is D. Just write here kit D. Simply strike out. Next, to find out another word which is a common in 2 or more lines in column 1. See here, dit. Dit is common in first line and fourth line. Which is a common in first line and fourth line of column 2? Which is a common? R is common. Here which is common? Dit is common. So for DIT, what is the code? R. DIT, DIT. Strike out. And here R and R. Again find out another word which is common in 2 or more lines. Observe here. RIT is a common in third line and fourth line. RIT, again here there is RIT. And which is common in these two lines? X is common. So for RIT, what is the code? X. X, X. And here RIT, RIT. Next, find out bit. See here, bit, again here bit. First and third lines. Observe here, P is a common in these two lines. So code for bit is P. Bit, bit and P, P. It is not present in other lines. So LIT here remaining code is B. LIT corresponding code is B. LIT corresponding code is B. Next, see here GIT. GIT is present in second line and third line. It is common in these two lines. Observe which is common in these two lines. B is common. So here JIT corresponding code is V. Fit. Fit is present in last line. Second line and last line. It is common in these two lines. Which is common in these two lines? S is common in these two lines. Fit corresponding one is S. Which is remaining in second line? MIT. MIT is the remaining. It is not present in another lines. So MIT, MIT. What is the code? T. See here, in third line, tit is remaining. There is no tit at last line. So here, tit corresponding code is W. Tit W. Okay. See at last line, knit is remaining. So knit corresponds corresponding code is J. NATE J. First of all, find out like this. Each and every word and corresponding codes are here. Now answer the questions. First one is, what is the code for lit? See here, what is the code for lit? B. First question answer is B. Second one is, what is the code for tit? What is the code for tit? See here, tit code is W. Second one answer is W. And third one, what is the code for rit? What is the code for rit? X. X is code for rit. And next question, what is the code for kit? What is the code for kit? Fourth one. See here, what is the code for kit? D. D is the code for kit. Next one is, what is the code for fit? What is the code for fit? S. Code for fit is S. After find out words and corresponding codes, you can easily answer the below questions. Let us move to the next question. Roses are blue. Code is LBP. And red flowers, this is the code. And flowers are vegetables, and this is the code. Then these are the questions. How is red written in that code? So first of all, find out the common words in these sentences and corresponding codes here. Here see, in these two sentences, which is a common? Flowers is common. So flowers. Code is what? Which is common in these two? Here flowers is common, and here which is a common? He is common. So here flowers corresponding code is he. Next, see here, in first sentence and last sentence, R is common. So here, which is a common in first and the third? P. P is a common. So here, R corresponding code is P. R cancelled, and here P. Now find out other words which are common in these sentences. Roses, there is no roses. And blue, there is no blue. And here red, there is no red in remaining lines. Okay, flowers corresponding code is he, and R corresponding code is P. Roses and blue. Here there are two codes, L and B. We can't say which is for roses and which is for blue. And here red flowers. Flowers code is he, and which is remaining? Red is remaining. So red corresponding code is SIK. Here red corresponding code is SIK. And here vegetables. Vegetables is remaining, and vegetables corresponding code is MIT. Vegetables MIT. Determination of words and corresponding codes are completed. Now see the first question. How is red written in that code? See, red written in that code. SIK is answer. SIK. Next, how is roses written in that code? Roses. Here, roses, and other one is blue present in first line. And here, IL and B. We can't say which is for roses and which is for blue. So, cannot be determined. What is the answer for second one? Can't be determined. Third question. Vegetables are red flowers written in this code. Vegetables are red flowers. Vegetables code is MIT. R code is P. Red flowers. Red code is SIK. And flowers code is HE. Vegetables are red flowers. Corresponding code is MIT. P. Sick. He. I hope you understand this concept. Please do practice this type of questions. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.